Tjena alla monsterdiggare. Sudskar. Hello all you Mandalorian lovers and Star Wars fans. I'm gonna continue the work on my Bandai model kit. This is how far I've come with the figure now. I'm gonna try to put some hot glue into the legs to make him feel a little more heavier. So let's try it. I'm not gonna try it on the legs directly. I'm gonna try on something else first because I'm not gonna use his cape here. So I'm gonna try to put some hot glue in here first so you can see that not damage the outside of it. And then I can remove it if I want. And I want to make a shout out to two guys that I met on a local store here in Karlskrona, Leksakshuset. They helped me to pick up some colors. They paint Warhammer figures, 40k, Warhammer 40k. And they helped me to pick up some colors, for example, for the silver here on the... So, to you two guys, thank you so much. It was a pleasure to meet you. If you see this video, please leave a link in the description below, because I forgot the Facebook page. I'm so sorry, I forgot it. But, yeah, that's on. This is a wash, brown wash. I'm gonna use it to dirty down my Commander Cody and my Stormtroopers when I get that one. Yeah, let's see here. I can remove it. I'm not gonna be so gentle with this one because there. It is pretty hot here. Let's see. Oh. I want to see if it's making any mark on the other side. Otherwise I'm gonna fill up the inside of the legs in this brew kit. Yeah, I think it's making some... It was not even there, yeah. Let's try again down here. I think. If I use a little. Maybe not. Ow! Hot! Damn it! That was hot. That's not what I'm going to do. Maybe I should do just a little bit. I can't see if there's any dents there. Do you see a difference? I should maybe put... Ow! That's still hot. Maybe it's too hot for this. Ow! I put my finger in it again. I cannot... I think it's... I can feel it's really hot on the other side here. But if it makes any dents or something, I don't think so. Maybe I should put in just small pieces. Why aren't you in the picture, Vader? Yeah, and I'm going to see Rogue One tonight. Look, we can make a scenery from Look, now if he's meeting Darth, if he meets Obi-Wan again, look. I hate you. I hate you. You are my brother, Anakin. You were supposed to destroy the Sith, not join them. I hate you. Yeah. Let's see. Here's the lower parts of the legs. So if I put just a little bit on each piece there, and I'm gonna pause it and I'm gonna destroy my Darth Vader figure. Okay? See you soon. Yeah. I filled this part of the leg with some glue, and I don't feel that it made so big difference. So this was maybe not a very good idea, but at least you have to try. Here's the other part, but it's hard to get, inside here. As you can see, I did it with this piece of leg too, and well, it's not worth the trouble to use glue gun because the weight is 0.2 kilograms or something like that. So I've tried it, but it's not worth it. So now he's complete. Without his cape, he looks like my old Kenner figure that I had when I was a small child. With the vinyl cape. He looks exactly like him. But the next thing is now to put on a fabric cape and fabric skirt down here. So I didn't think that hot glue would make such big difference. Maybe 3 grams or something like that. 2-3 grams. Yeah, and now I'm gonna paint him up. So that's gonna be the next video. See you in the next video. Bye.